Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today's video, we're going to be looking at the song While You Were Sleeping by Laufey. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, we're going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar, as well as teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And with that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So all in all, we have the E major chord, E6 chord, E major 7 chord, version 1, and a version 2, A major chord, A6, A major 7, F sharp minor 7, B7, B7 flat 9, G sharp major 7, C sharp minor 7, C sharp 7, F diminished 7, F sharp minor 7 flat 5, G sharp minor 7, C sharp 7 flat 9, and a B7 suspended 4 chord. Okay, so when it comes to the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be like this. Just like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Now, if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strum, and this part of your thumb for the up strum. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. But if you prefer using a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, because you're just going to be doing downward motions with the down strums and upward motions with the up strums. And when it comes to holding a pick, make sure that your pick is perpendicular with your thumb like so, and pitching it with your index finger like that, only just showing the tip right there, and making sure that your hand, wrist, as well as your arm is not too loose nor too tight, so that you're comfortable when it comes to strumming with the pick. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And with that said, the entire strumming pattern will be worked for 3 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the intro as well as the interlude section of the song, which comes after the first chorus section of the song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's going to be the E major chord for 3 counts. It's going to be like this. E6 chord for 3 counts. E major 7 chord for 3 counts. And for this one, we're going to be using this version right here. Then the E6 chord for 3 counts once more. Yep, then after that, we're just going to be repeating this chord progression one more time. It's going to be E, E6, E major 7, then E6. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the verse sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, E major chord for 3 counts, E6 chord for 3 counts, this version of the E major 7 chord for 3 counts, the E6 chord for 3 counts. Next up is going to be the A major chord for 3 counts, A6 chord for 3 counts, A major 7 chord for 3 counts, then the A6 chord once again for 3 counts. It's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts, which means that we're going to be doing the strumming pattern for this chord twice. It's going to be like this. Then the B7 chord for 6 counts as well. Then back to the E major chord for 3 counts. Then this one, then this one, then this one. And then after that, we're going to be repeating that entire chord progression one more time. So once again, E major chord for 3 counts, E6, E major 7, E6, A, A6, then E major 7, A6, 1, 2, E7, And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I still can't believe that you noticed me. Emotions when the heavens would say it was meant to be. I'll never forget the first I saw you there. Okay, so when it comes to the chorus sections for this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So for this one, it's going to be the G sharp major 7 chord for 12 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts now this time. 1, 2. C sharp 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. F sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts now this time. 1, 2. B7 chord for 6 counts. Then it's going to be the E major 7 chord for 6 counts, using this version of that chord now this time. That's the only time that you're going to be using this version of this chord, actually. Yeah, it's going to be the E major 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. And the F diminished 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. F sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. F sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord for 6 counts. G sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. C sharp 7 flat 9 chord for 6 counts as well. 1, 2. It's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 6 counts. 1, 2. It's going to be the B7 sus4 chord for 3 counts. 1. It's going to be the B7 flat 9 chord for 3 counts as well. It's going to be like this. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I don't recognize myself. I'm dancing down street, smiling to strangers, idiotic things. I trace it all back to 30 a.m. that night. Something turned in my heart. While you were sleeping, I fell in love. So lastly, for the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Pretty much just going to be the exact same chord progression as the intro section of the song, but we're just going to be adding the E major chord at the end to signify that the whole song's over. So for that last E major chord, you could just do this, or like this, or whatever that you want to do at the end of that chord there. It's up to you and your preference when it comes to playing this song. So yeah, once again, E major chord for 3 counts, E6, E major 7, E6 one more time, then that E major chord at the end. Pretty nice. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Laufey guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.